I'm Rebekah Daniels with Homes at Bekah, and this is 2455 Tranquil Lane, located in the popular Deltona Lakes. Deltona is one of Central Florida's up-and-coming areas. With the new Amazon warehouse and the new medical center, we are seeing tons of growth here. This home is perfect for an investor or savvy home buyer who's not afraid of a little sweat equity. Let's take a look. This home has over 1,500 square feet, and they really utilize that space really well. Traditionally, this would be your formal living room, and this would be your formal dining room. Now, a lot of folks are getting away from these formal living spaces, so you could instead utilize this space in so many different ways. It could be a reading nook, it could be an at-home office, a homeschool room. The possibilities are limitless. And what I really love in this room are these windows right here. Throughout the day, you're gonna have tons of natural light coming in, and then in the afternoon, when the sun starts to set, not only do you get to enjoy all that sunlight, but you also get to enjoy the sunset. Over this way, we have your master bedroom. The master bedroom features 2 closets, dual sinks, and a private exit to the back patio. Even though this home was built in the 80s, it still has that modern open concept layout that we have all come to know and love. You have plenty of counter space, and you even have room for about 5 or 6 chairs to sit here so you can gather together for breakfast in the mornings. You have your open family room, you have a spacious additional dining room, which really makes this home perfect for hosting and gathering together. And of course, as somebody who loves to cook, I always appreciate a good-sized pantry. You have a split floor plan, so your 2 additional bedrooms and bathroom are right down here. Right off your family room, you have your enclosed Florida room. And what I love about Florida rooms is that they're so versatile. They have a window and a screened-in feature. So if you have all your windows closed, you can utilize this as an extra living space and just added a space heater or air conditioning unit if you want to use it like that. Or open up all the windows to let that nice breeze come in and just cool off the room and use it as a porch. With 1/3 of an acre, you have plenty of room in your spacious backyard for activities or just being outside enjoying the beautiful Florida weather. Plus, your property line goes all the way back here. Contact the Homes at Bekah team at 407-738-9106 to set up your private showing or to get more information about this amazing opportunity. Let's make your real estate dreams a reality.